Welcome back to the channel. You know what Cat ET is, now let us learn how to use it properly. This is the daily workflow for Cat engines and machines, from excavators to generators. Connect your adapter, like the Catcom adapter 3 or a Nexiq, to the machine diagnostic port. In Cat ET preferences, select your adapter type once, and the software remembers it. Hit connect and Cat ET finds every ECM on the machine. Select the one you need, engine or machine control. The ECM summary screen confirms the serial number and software before you start. Check active codes for what is happening right now, and logged codes for the machine history. Every event stores the operating hours, so you can match failures to what the machine was doing. Status screens show live data from the ECM. Build a custom group for the job, like fuel pressure and boost, and watch the values while the machine works under load. Problems show up fast. Under diagnostic tests, run the cylinder cutout to isolate a weak cylinder, or test injector solenoids directly. Override commands let you force components on to verify wiring and operation. The configuration screen holds ECM parameters and injector trim files. After replacing injectors, load the new trim files here. Always record the original settings before making any change. For problems that come and go, use data logging. Record a session while the operator runs the machine, then review the graphs back at the shop. Intermittent faults cannot hide from a recording. And that is how to use Cat ET like a Cat technician. We provide the full version with remote installation and activation support at diagramtechpro.com. Subscribe for more diesel software guides, and see you in the next video.